Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Spotify not launching or running. And the first thing you can do is, if you have Spotify already open somehow but like the app itself is not working, you can forcefully close the app, and you can do that by opening up the task manager, or you can just type in the Windows icon here. And once you have the task manager open, just look for Spotify anywhere you find it and then right click on it, and you're going to click on end task. Now once that is done, you can try to reopen Spotify, but if it still does not work, the second method you guys can try to do is right click on the icon, and you're going to click on run as administrator and then try opening it that way. If that also does not work, the third method you guys can do is right click on the app icon again and click on properties, and then from the compatibility, you're going to go to the compatibility tab. You're going to check on the run this program as an administrator, and you're going to also check this run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now once you do that, hit apply and then hit OK, and then try opening up Spotify that way. If all else fails, you could always delete Spotify and then reinstall it with the latest update, and then you can also restart your PC. Now once you do all of these things, hopefully Spotify should be running and launching without any issues whatsoever. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.